This is the Mavic 3 Pro Cine, and we came all the way to Iceland to test it out. DJI gave us the opportunity of using this triple camera system. The main Micro Four Thirds Hasselblad camera delivers some real quality never seen before in drones of this size. You can shoot up to 5K in 60 FPS and 4K on 120 FPS. These two new telecameras, the 3X and 7X, give us a lot of different opportunities to us the creators. Now we can get a wide, a medium and a close-up, and also the ability of shooting with compression all in one battery and in the same flight. Apple ProRes 422 HQ is supported for the three cameras. I love the flexibility that I have in post with this amount of data and color depth. You can push the color grades without breaking the color apart and get amazing looking footage with great dynamic range. DJI O3 Plus features a transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers with a stable signal and 1080 60 FPS image. This battery gives us 43 minutes of flight time, which is a great improvement from previous model. I've been using this drone for more than 2 months, and I could easily say that it's the best drone I ever had. From now on, this is my go-to drone for my professional projects.